Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we have another unboxing on the channel. Pretty much the first or second one of the year, I believe. I can't remember. But this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max in black titanium. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 512 gigabytes directly from the Apple Store, as you guys can see. I did actually trade in my 15 Pro Max that I did have a lot of videos on the channel. They gave me about $650. I was trying to sell it on eBay and I wasn't getting too many biters on that, so I actually figured to just save some time and just trade it in. But the one key difference is that I had with the 15 Pro Max is that I had only 256 gigabytes, but for this one I went with the 512, which is something that I've been contemplating for a long time, but it's just paying that extra 200 bucks, which I'm kind of like a little iffy about. Now, I did go with the black titanium since I had the white one last year, so I had to switch it up, and I didn't really want the gold one, to be honest with you. Let's see if we could focus in on here. All right, so here you go, guys. The 16 Pro Max, 512 gigabytes and all that good stuff. Let's see if we could take a look at here. iPhone 16 Pro Max, designed by Apple in California. Usual books and stuff if you guys have not seen an unboxing before. So you have your little green tabs that you just have to pull off. So that's one. So if you guys do have the 15 Pro Max, it's not a huge difference. You do have a new button that you didn't have, and especially if you had the 13 Pro Max or if you had the 12 Pro Max, there's a few things that have been changed in case you guys are doing an upgrade for this year. But here we go, guys. Let me shut up and just unbox it. And of course, it's the other way. Here we go. Black titanium looks really nice, especially if you guys get that new Watch Ultra. This will match perfectly with it. It looks really good so far. I did have the white titanium last year, and when I had the 14 or the 13, I think I had it in blue, which I'm very disappointed that Apple did not give us maybe like a teal titanium. That would have been really cool. But here you go, guys. This is your charging cable, separated material now, as you guys can see from there. So I did actually watch a couple of videos, and they actually changed a few things where you don't get the Apple stickers no more, and they actually changed how this looks as well, which is pretty weird. See if we can focus in on that there. Hold on. All right, so you can focus in on that. You have your, I believe they changed this thing as well. So this is the Apple 1-year warranty. But if you do want to get the quick start guide, I'm hearing that if you just, I think you have to ask Siri now, and you should have the Apple Intelligence, which will tell you everything about your device. But if you guys got an iPhone in the last 5 years, it's pretty much the same thing. There's no charging brick, and you have your phone itself. So alright guys, so here's what's new. If you guys are coming from the iPhone 12, 13, and 14, now you don't have that mute toggle switch no more. Now it's an actual button that you can actually use to actually customize as well. You could put it for volume control, you could put it for mute, or if you want to put it for camera, you could do it for camera. But now on the 16 Pro Max, that is different from the 15 Pro Max, is now you have a dedicated camera button as well. So the camera button is right there on the bottom right hand corner over there, and they actually changed a few things. When it comes to the side, I think it's 0.2 centimeters bigger, and they actually shrunk down the bezels, which is the black bar that actually goes around your device. So let's just pop this open. There you go. The iPhone 16 Pro Max. It was pretty crowded at my local Apple Store. It was pretty crowded, but it just wasn't as crazy as it usually is when it comes to launches, and I actually went there maybe 30 minutes prior to my appointment, and they let me in with no issues. I had a perfect customer service rep who helped me out, and it was just very speedy. But as you guys can see from here, this is what it looks like. So I actually traded in my 15 Pro Max, so I don't really have any phones to compare it to anymore, but I could say that it feels pretty much just like the 15 Pro Max, but I have it in a different color. That teal 16 and 16 Plus looks so beautiful. Why not make a teal titanium, pink titanium, blue titanium? Why do we still have to stick with these colors that is just bland and it looks exactly like last year? Just being honest. And why haven't we got a red Pro Max phone yet? That's what I have thought about as well. All right, guys. So if you guys want to see more case videos, I should have a lot of videos coming on the channel. Let me set this up so I can back up and do everything, and then I can make my accessory videos, my initial setup, and all that good stuff. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone 16 Pro Max and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. English, United States. Oh, check this out.